Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Well, let's make a really cute little something for him. Y'all stay tuned. So today I decided I would make something just for him, and you can change the paper and make it for her as well. But for him, I thought I would make this cute little skinny box. And I have a special purpose for this box. Mike does a lot of carpentry work, and he's always looking for his carpentry pencils. So I decided I'd give him a set for Christmas, and I'm going to put them inside of this really beautiful box. And I think it's so cute, and I want to share how to make it with you guys. It can be made from one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. So let's get started. Okay, so to start, we need a piece of paper that measures 6 by 7.5. And on the 6-inch side, we're going to score this at 1 3/8, at 2 3/4, at 4 1/8, and at 5 1/2. And we'll turn it on the 7.5-inch side, and we're going to score this at 1 3/8. So now we can fold and burnish our scores. And then once we have our scores folded and burnished, we are going to have a rectangle right here in the corner, and we need to get rid of that completely. So all I'll do is remove it. I'm going to turn it on this side. It might be easier for me to see my score marks. And so now we're going to come back, and we're simply going to do slight angles on both sides of the score mark just to give us an angled tab or an angled flap that will fold up. And now we are ready to put this box together. So I'll come back on my glue flap, and I am going to bring in my glue and get it on the flap just like that, and then I'll fold it over until it meets the opposite end. I'll get everything matched up, and then I'll take my box and I'll fold in my sides. I'll fold my back piece in first, and then I'll fold in my front piece, but I'm going to place just a little bit of glue on my back flap, and then I'll place glue on the front flap, and we can get this stuck down. And then once it's stuck down, I'll just come back and do a little bit of shaping to this just to make sure everything is nice and squared. And you can see we have the most delightful little snowman box, and this truly is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it, and this is perfect for a man, but it can also be used for a woman. So now we're going to make the lid for this, and I am going to use the opposite side of this paper because I think it's very fun, very whimsical. Okay, so I'll bring my scoreboard back in, and I have a piece of paper that measures 5.5 by 5.5, and we're going to score this at 1 and at 2 on all 4 sides. And then we will fold and burnish our scores. Okay, so once our scores have been folded and burnished, we are going to have 2 corner pieces on all 4 sides of this paper that we need to get rid of. So the first thing I'll do is I'll come in with my finger blade, and I'll go up to the second score mark, and I'm simply going to remove those corner pieces. And then I can come back and I can just cut down until I have a tab, just like that. I removed it, and this is what you're left with. So now we can put the lid together, and I will come back with my glue, and I am going to place glue on my tab. I'll bring this up just like this. I'll get my tab stuck down, come in on the inside, and then I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, so once I have my box put together, I'll have these outer flaps, and at this point all I want to do is take glue, place it on the flaps, and then I'll fold them on the inside of the box, just like this. And I'll come back with my bone folder. We can get all of these stuck down. Okay guys, so our lid is complete. We can place it on our cute little box, and you can see just how delightful this is. So I'm going to bring both boxes back in so you can see just how gorgeous these two boxes are. And when finished, the box that I demoed measures 1 3/8 by 1 3/8 by 6 1/8. And these are such fun boxes to make. And guys, you have to admit, these are just so stinking cute and super, super delightful. I know Mike is gonna love getting his box. He's going to think there's candy in it, but it will be pencils instead for all of the projects that I have for him in 2020. So I hope that you guys have liked this project, and if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.